Hi everyone, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble my hidden pocket multifold card that you can find under my profile in Cricut Design Space. If you're a Cricut Design Space user, you can access some of my shared projects by opening Cricut Design Space, and on the home screen in the search bar type Art Graphics Studio and press enter. Then scroll down to Community Members and click on Art Graphic Studio. There you'll find all of my shared projects.
Hi everyone, these are the components to the secret gift card holder card. This is the base, this will be the center. This and this are for the belly band. And this is the gift card holder. So when we put this here, we will glue that just along the edges and we can slip our gift card into there. And all the other pieces are just for decor. And you can use as many or as few as you'd like. So let's get started. All right, here's our base, and there's lots of fold lines. But basically, it just folds corner to corner and corner to corner. All right, now you just start to decorate it, and you can use any style that you want. You can leave it completely undecorated or you can decorate it. I'm going to start by putting my centerpiece in. And I'm just going to glue that. We want to make sure that we're not overlapping the fold lines. That looks pretty good right there. Now you could, as I said, here's, if you'd like to put in gift card or cash, you could certainly do that. Just glue around the 3 outside edges and glue that down. In my case, I'm actually giving the card, so I'm just going to put some dots, some removable glue dots on that at the end. Either way. Now the rest of it, you just want to do it however you would like. Whatever you think looks good. These larger pieces with the decor on them, I have made, I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put the Merry Christmas here. And then the snowman on this side. And the Christmas tree on this side. So I'll do that right quick and be right back. Okay, once those are dry, then we'll start adding each of the additional pieces. And when we get those done, we'll open it up and we'll start decorating the rest of the pieces. Now we're going to let those dry before we go any further, before we open it up and go again, which is the same process. You just match up your triangles and squares as you open it up. If you'd like to, what you can do on this is you can put sentiments, or you can put little poems, or whatever you'd like to do. You can do that. So we're going to let that dry and we'll come right back. So let's open this up. And we're going to do the same thing on the inside, putting the squares in the square boxes and putting the triangles in the triangle boxes. And I have cut all of these the same, but as I did on the front, if you wanted to put something different, you could certainly do that. So we're going to glue those down. We're going to put the boxes in the corners, and we're going to put the triangles in all the triangles. And you might have noticed that I used some scrap and printed on the front of some scraps for these, because they're not going to show anyway, and that'll save you some cardstock. You can also use decorative paper if you'd like to do that too, designer paper. I think all the glue is dry now, so we'll just take these off. And as I said, you could put just a little pocket for a gift card. You could put a sentiment if you're not giving a gift card. You could put a photograph. A Christmas photograph would be nice in there. And we're folding it back up. Put the corners in. And then you put the next corners in. And then we'll make a belly band for it. Now, as you can see, it's fairly thick card, so it may need some extra postage, unless of course, you're just handing it to someone, which is what I'm doing. Because when I put the gift card in there, it'll make it even thicker. So all we want to do with the belly band is place it around the card and fold it a little loosely, because you want to be able for it to slide right off. And then we'll glue that, and then we'll put our gift right on the top. We'll glue that together, and then we'll put this on. And of course, we only want the glue in the center. Let's get that centered. That looks like it's about right. So we'll let that glue just a minute, and then we'll slide it back on our card. And here's our finished card with our belly band. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time.